lumabas na yung sinasabing assassin. And until now, wala silang nailabas na pangalan, ayaw pa nila sabihin kung sino. Do you think meron ba talaga yan?
Well, that's something for the prosecution to prove. And yun nga, nabanggit naman, and let's be fair to Director Matibag, nabanggit naman niya na ongoing pa yung investigation, kaya hindi pa siya pwede magsalita. At nasabi rin niya na may mga persons of interest allegedly at hindi lang ma-disclose because obviously these things are confidential. So sa atin, we're just waiting. And if kung meron mang lumabas, whether now, kasi ang mukhang wala namang lalabas now, but nagsabi naman, may isang senator judge rin na nagtanong na kung pwedeng balikan ito, kung sakaling meron ng development dyan, then we'll just be ready to also test kung totoo nga ba o hindi itong paratang na may assassin. Because of course, as we've mentioned, and as the Vice President has mentioned herself, wala naman siyang sinabing assassin or yung katagang assassin was never used in that video.
Attorney, kanina pagbigyan po yung